Why would you want to work in social care? It's all making cups of tea and other stuff. Why would you?
I actually trained to be a mechanic, but I fancied something a bit more hands-on. I tap into people's imaginations so we can make stories together. Everything that's written down here is completely created by everybody who lives here. None of it is anything to do with me.
Lucy's always looking for new ways to make people happy.
In other jobs, you're just a number, but here, we're one big family.
And even if Lucy's tired, she's always full of beams for us. They can turn tears into a smile in no time at all.
I love it when everyone's snuggled up in bed all tired after a wonderful day.
She livens up everybody's life with her personality.
The dullest thing about her is her hair.
I got into care because I got offered a placement and I loved it so much it just couldn't keep me away. The best thing about care is when you make someone laugh and I just know that I've made their day. I love my job knowing it makes people happy and that makes me happy too. It doesn't feel like I'm doing a job, it just feels natural. I want to learn and I want to be the best me I can be.
It's just effortless with Michael, it's just in him.
This matters to me because I care.
I came into care because my mum got dementia at 38 and she died when she was 43, and I just want to help make a difference to other people's lives. It's all about the person, what they want, their wishes and what's important to them.
Don't let Laura's age fool you.
She really understands.
I support sons and daughters 40 and 50 years older than me to go through what I went through at 18.
She's beautiful on the inside and beautiful on the outside.
Laura is Grantley.
Yeah, go on.
I'd been unemployed for 8 years. I'd made my mistakes, and even I'd written myself off. They saw something in me that I couldn't see in myself, and they helped me find Paul again. I used to work in an office, grey walls, really sterile, avoid eye contact, keep your head down, can't have the radio on, can't say too much, don't speak loud, certainly don't beatbox.
Working with Paul's just great. He's like a big ball of fire or something. It's always going to be fun.
I can be anything I want to be. There's so much freedom in the role. You know, I can be the clown, I can be the professional, I can be crying, I can be laughing.
He's crazy, he's creative, and he really cares.
I don't get out of bed like, I mean, I get up in the morning and I bounce in here. Not only are we allowed to be ridiculous here, we're encouraged every day.
Hello.
It's people like Paul that make me realise every day why I do this job.
It's a special place and a special job.
I started as a carer and now I'm a nurse associate.
I've been here 29 years. It's been so much fun that the time's just flown by.
I started working in this kitchen 10 years ago. Now I have a degree in health and social care and I am one of the house managers.
So why would you want to work in social care? Why wouldn't you?
I hope I've made my mum proud.